Hey everyone, so it is fall. It's not the official first day of fall, but for me, September 1st is fall. I am already decorating for Halloween. Don't tell anyone. But as the leaves start to change and the weather gets colder, I like to reflect on us as humans, how we change, right? And take inventory on things that I need to let go of, right? Bad habits. I have a thing called value boundaries, which is if you've ever worked with me, you know this already about me. I am extremely honest. I don't gossip. I'm very respectful of uh, contracts and agreements that I have with people. I'm very aware of what I do. I operate very cautiously, and I take that very, very serious, like privacy and all of that. I take it very serious. Um, and those are my value boundaries, even in my personal relationships. I myself, I have had to set, lines in the sand, right? Of one of my values is honesty and clarity and communication. And when people come into my life and they don't bring that, and I have to get them out of my life, it can be very painful. Trust me, I've had my fair share of that pain, right? Um, but it goes into business too. You can have values in business. And you would think, okay, but it's business and, dog eat dog. And sometimes you get, no, you really don't. I've learned that if you really stick to your guns, that, hey, this is not how I'm going to operate, it's actually better because people actually respect you. Like they expect it from you. Like they learn to know you. Like Nicole is, you know, good person. She's, you can trust her. You can do really important business with her and know that that's going to stay with her. And that's because I have these boundaries and I show them and I operate in them, right? You can take inventory of your own boundaries, your own values, right? But with fall around, take inventory of everything. What's in your life that you need to let go of? Is it bad habits? Is it your mindset? I will say, when I got into business, if you met me 12 years ago, you wouldn't recognize the person. I'm literally two different people. I had to go through some serious self-reflection and growth to realize what I was doing and how to do it properly, right? I always had my values, but I did things like I thought I could do everything on my own. I thought I could do A to Z in my company, right? I thought that I had to make money to hire people. That's the wrong idea. You hire people and more money comes. People bring value into your company. That increases your availability to put into your company. And then your company makes more money, right? It's not make more money and then hire people for the most part. I mean, now, I've got so many people working in my company. It's a little bit different. But in the beginning, I just thought I could do the bookkeeping, the shipping, you know, everything on my own. So do inventory of your life. What are some things that you can let go in this fall season? What are some boundaries that you can set? And, boundaries, just one more thing. Boundaries don't have to be something that you say out loud. It's not like you meet someone and say, this is my boundaries. Here's a list. And then they look at you cross-eyed like, what? Right? It's just the way you operate. And when something comes up that is not within those value boundaries, you just say, hey, look, I really can't talk about that, or like, let's let's just not have that conversation. I've told that to so many people. I'm like, oh, let's don't even have that conversation around me. My boundary is I respect XYZ. And they kind of laugh off, but they know I'm serious, right? So it doesn't have to be something that you say. It's just the way that you operate. So I want to hear from you. What are some things that you think you need to shed or change? I will look for your comments below.